Right back here. Welcome to another edition of the Coffee Challenge. Y'all gotta excuse all of the noise from the traffic. We are pretty close to a parkway. Anyway, I've been up here helping my buddy on the house the last couple of days, and they're still in there snoozing. I thought I'd get up, fix a cup of coffee, figure I'd share it with you. It's the kid I brought with me. See, there's no electric here. He's building this house entirely with batteries, battery powered saws, nailers, and it's coming along pretty good. Got, just in case I need it, dusty GSI cup. Got French press, Stanley. Got the goods in here. Maybe. Butane canister that Miss Donna made me. And my little Sterno stove. Okay, while that's coming to a boil, I'll give you a little tour. I said I was helping on this. I'm not really doing much helping. I'm mainly packing lumber. But hey, every little bit counts, I guess. Okay, here's what we done yesterday. Built that scaffolding up there and done the top half of that wall above the scaffolding. That is way up there. Over here, it's hard to judge on the camera, but there above the window, the ceiling starts, it goes up at an angle. We got all of that in yesterday up to the rafters there. Truss, whatever you want to call them. It's looking good. Big cedar log here, making a mantle out of it to go by the fireplace. Okay, we got our water to a boil. I think we're going to have to stir that. We'll just let it boil a second there. I'm going to let it boil until it starts to foam and gets close to the top. I'll take it off. See it raising now. There she comes. We're off the heat. Let her settle down. Doing the trick. Turn that heat down a little bit. Let that sit there just a few minutes. Kill that heat. Put my lid back on my coffee so if we keep it a little fresher. Yeah, it looks good. That's enough. Save a cup for Doug. Alright, this coffee's got to go out to somebody. Got my buddy Doug here. So let's gonna go out to Dave. Dave, man, you should be here, man.
Missed out.
I crawled in bed with Doug this morning, gave him a big surprise.
Got video of it, and it was that wasn't that big.
I think he was expecting it. Alright, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.
Baby boy.
What did you get all excited, man?
Man, where the heck is Johnny?
He's running the camera.
The best friends in Hollywood history were, don't you? Jimmy Stewart and Henry Fonda.
Really?
Yeah, I forget.
Jimmy was the.
I think he was a Democrat.
I bet.
I think. The Green Team. I still got it.
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
You ever watch any of them channels on YouTube that open packs?
Yeah.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, it was a big crazy. Did you see them one boys get caught?
Yeah.
Scamming a $20,000 card?
Yeah.
I've been
That
ready
was
to
just
see
the
that.
one. What one is it? The 59 mantle that's worth so much.
I didn't see that.
Well,
52.
It's 52 mantle.
Yeah.
And somebody had faked one of those.
Waffles, Randall's, whatever. And when they opened it, it was a $20,000 card. They said,